Welcome to the Startup Money Playbook, a professional workshop program by AI-Praxis. This program offers financial fluency for founders, professionals, and anyone building something worthwhile. It consists of 30 sessions across 7 core modules and includes 11 Excel templates. Delivery is available both online and offline. AI-Praxis is an AI-powered career and entrepreneurship platform. Financial literacy is crucial, especially since only 27% of Indians are financially literate, and 80% of Indian startups fail due to poor financial management. This program fills the gap with practical, jargon-free education for students, founders, and professionals. The program covers 7 modules in 30 sessions. You'll learn money basics, costing and pricing, financial statements, runway and survival, raising capital, after funding, and finally, a toolkit and capstone project. This program is designed for 4 main audiences. School students can learn money basics before college. College students can build investor-ready financial models. Founders and entrepreneurs will learn to calculate runway and set a defensible price. Professionals and managers can confidently read financial statements and make better budget decisions. Choose the delivery format that works for you. Format A, the Power Hour, is a 3-hour single module. Format B, the Masterclass Day, is an 8-hour deep dive into the first 3 modules. Format C, the Intensive 3-day, covers the first 5 modules. Format D, the Full Program, is a 5-day comprehensive financial education. Pricing is flexible for every institution and format. Online prices range from 7,987 Indian rupees for a Power Hour to 90,987 Indian rupees for the full program. Offline options are also available, including all associated costs, though these may vary. Experience learning by doing through the hypothetical study AI story following founder Aryan Sharma. The program uses his real numbers from month 1 through year 3, illustrating key concepts like break-even, gross margin, and valuation in a practical context. Participants gain immediate benefits, such as calculating break-even, LTV CAC, and runway quickly. Long-term impacts include career and business growth, like getting shortlisted for entrepreneurship programs, raising capital with credible models, and building a finance-literate workforce. Ready to bring financial literacy to your institution? We work with educational and corporate teams to customize programs. Visit apraxis.co.in or email help@apraxis.co.in. Write to us now for a customized proposal within 24 hours.